Ollie. Kisses? Happy kisses. Ollie. Hello. Hello. Here, try this. Why you dropped it? It went down my bra. I don't have any. It's in here. I don't have none in there. You little booger. Well, you stop. Ollie, stop, booger girl. You putting your foot on me now? No, you want me to smell your feet? Stinky feet? I'm gonna put this back. Yep. Try this. What? What? I'll keep my mouth closed. Be careful, you're gonna slide. I got lotion, you're gonna fall right down. Use your little wings. Watch it, you're sliding. What? What do you want? What do you want? I don't have none. Did you give me back my mouth? Oh, give me. Hi. This is Ollie. I'm Gina. We're videotaping this because this is a place where people could vent and show videos of their loved ones. That animals and people have lost and mourn over. Recently, past, present, death, and future. Because sometimes they're sick for a long time. Bye, Ollie. Okay. Bambi, come here. But she's scared. Let's see if I can get her up. Look. Say hi. Say hi, Bambi. Right here. Up here. Here you go. Keep your chin up. She's the chicken. Okay. So, hopefully people can leave their messages and stuff. But remember, I am legally blind, so I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing. So hopefully I get this right. Are you whistling, Ollie?